So tell us who you are and what you had done.
Okay, my name is Mary Cook. I had both hips replaced with nice stainless steel ones that function well, which is very nice. And when I had the surgery, my pain level went down so far, I hardly knew I had any pain. I couldn't have asked for a better outcome, and I'm just thrilled to death.
So Mary, just to clarify, did you have both hips done, like how much time apart?
There were 7 weeks between the first and the second.
Okay. And what are you able to do now that you couldn't do before?
Just about anything. The only problem I have is that during the time I was just not functioning well at all because of the hips, I lost a lot of strength and stamina, and so that's what I'm working on more than anything else.
And what's your pain level now?
0.5.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Is there any, last but not least, is there any advice you would give a patient that's thinking about surgery but maybe a little bit scared?
Do not hesitate, because this surgery works so well, and it's so, I don't know how to tell you. I've had several surgeries. I had a kidney removed. I had, when you take all the female body parts out, this was the easiest of any surgery I've ever had.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, it really.
What made you choose Dr. Goff over anybody else?
My husband, Cindy, looked for non-invasive surgery, and Dr. Goss came up, and we made an appointment, and here we are now.
Great. Thank you so much, Mary.
Oh, yeah.